Hi, my name is Ross Newkirk with VogelCutCrystals.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to safely wash and clean a Vogel Cut Crystal. Okay, we're going to show you how to clean off your Vogel Cut Crystal. Most of the time you can just use a microfiber cloth like this. This one is typically used for eyeglasses, and hold the crystal very firmly in your hand. Clean one side, rotate it, and you can clean the other. And generally that is all you ever need. However, sometimes some grease or something gets on the crystal, or a lot of use from oils from your hand and so forth. So I'm going to show you how to wash the crystal safely. So the first thing you want to do is take a towel and have it set up somewhere on your countertop here in a manner in which the crystal can't roll off. So bunching it up a little like this as you're getting your setup established. So what I generally do is I'll take a washcloth, set it in the base of the sink. The reason being is if I'm handling this Vogel crystal and it gets slippery with the soap and it somehow slips out of my hand, as long as I'm holding this low, it will not chip against the surface of the sink. So having this down here just as an extra sort of cautionary measure really makes sense. You're not going to want to use any kind of harsh chemicals, nothing with abrasion. Don't use ultrasonic cleaners. Just use some kind of mild soap. I tend to use a Dr. Bronner's soap, just a unscented Dr. Bronner soap is what I use. You can use scented though, as well. But you want to use something that is mild. Also, do not use salt water. Marcel Vogel strongly advised against using salt water. You can also do this if you feel safer in a plastic bowl, because it's not going to chip against a plastic bowl as long as you hold it low. So I'm going to just turn on the water, and you're going to want to use like warm water. And I'm going to get some Dr. Bronner soap here and hold it very low. As you apply the soap to the crystal, it becomes very, very slippery. So hold it extremely low and just wash that soap off. Warm water, is not going to harm the crystal at all. It's not going to crack or anything. Quartz crystal is 7 on the Mohs scale in terms of hardness, so it's very hard, but it also means it's also brittle. So if you whack it against something, it will chip. And once the soap is washed off, and it's washed off of your hands as well, so your hands aren't slippery, turn off the faucet, bring it up to your drying cloth, and then carefully dry it. Also dry your hands as well, because you don't want your hands slippery. And you want to dry the crystal really well so it doesn't also leave water spots. So I just sort of massage it with the towel, dry it off, move it to another section, rather than trying to pick it up where you have the potential to drop it. And once it is dried off, you have a nice, clear crystal ready to go.